Hi guys, welcome to iMobi channel. If you purchased a second-hand iPhone but found it stuck on activation lock or iPhone lock to owner screen after factory reset, what to do? No worries, we will show you 2 tips in this video. Let's dive in. If you remember your Apple ID and passcode and want to give your old device to your friend or family, or just want to sell it, please check the first tip. Go to appleid.apple.com website and sign in to your Apple ID. Click Devices on the left side. Select the iPhone you want to remove. Scroll down to find Remove from Account button and click on it. Sometimes, you don't remember the passcode, or you just bought the iPhone from someone and cannot contact the previous owner. No worries, check out the second tip to know how to unlock iCloud locked iPhone without password. Run any unlock on your PC or Mac and connect iPhone via a USB cable. Select Bypass iCloud Activation Lock feature. Click Start Now. Next, check your device information here and click Start Jailbreak. Follow the instructions in any unlock to put your iPhone into DFU mode. When the jailbreak process is completed, click Bypass Now. Any unlock will bypass the activation lock automatically, you just need to wait for a while. When it has been done, your iPhone will restart. That's all tips. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.